Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm really good. Now, so let's try today some new practice, the tripod headstand. It's also very fashion pose, I can say that. Many students love it and like it. And of course it's really nice, the two arms, the head up, it's an amazing thing. But how we do, how to start, we have many questions and many not able to do it. So same like my previous video, headstand, sinusitis, I mentioned the foundation is important. Remember the headstand, the foundation is the hair. But in the tripod, the foundation is the arms. So if you are good in the forearm, maybe find tripod easier for you. Because in tripod headstand, we're using the forearms more power, more than 60%. So it's meaning if you are good in this one, you are able to do it. No matter you have tight hamstring, tight leg, not flexibility, it doesn't matter much. In tripod, if you have forearm good. Alright. So how to start it? They have many ways to start it. So today I show you one of the methods, and is the most common or easy to start with everyone. We take the 1/2 distance, look straight, and here. Same we say come to cat pose position. Then make the feet here. Tuck in the belly all the way, how much you can. Tuck in the belly, spine round is good for you. Neck round, spine. Then drop it, the neck here. Take this in the center, here. Keep your elbows inside, not outside. It's going naturally, but we have to keep it. Check distance. This is the drill to understand my alignment okay, my body is perfect, or the leg distance, arm distance is fine or not. Sometimes you can change slightly in requirement because depend upon your body height, the legs tall or smaller, shorter, Sometimes in yoga this is a complicated things. We can't feel exactly, but we can give you approximately. So after check this one, you feel the leg distance and your arms, elbows feel better. Okay guys, you are clear the first ground clearance, can say the basic foundation. For the next. Walk. Same 1, 2, and relax, same, the headstand. Child pose. So guys, when I'm doing, I'm not talking usually because it feels disturbance in throat. So yes, you can see they have method one leg same like headstand and uplift, and second leg stay half. If you're not confident, if you're confident, you can go up. Same like foundation. Now I'm showing second technique or second method, you can say, or style, whatever you can like. Foundation is same. Feet together. If you are stronger, go straight away. If you have the strong core and the balance, you can go straight away. Doesn't matter. Depend upon your body capability, flexibility, strength, muscle. Alright, so yes, this is the tripod headstand. We're doing the basic foundation. We have 2 styles. I'm sure you like it, and they have more style maybe. You can see me in the next video. I will show you. But first, I really want you guys try the first one with the right leg half. If you can manage, stay in the half, then go away slowly. And the second one, the people who have tight hip and hamstring, I saw they like that style usually because no need to bend knee. Because bend knee come closer. The hip, we need flexibility. But the straight away the leg up, we don't need much flexibility. When we have tight hamstring, tight leg, it's make them easier because all the way up. So here we go. So you can tell me if you find some other difficulty or some issue when you're doing, you're not able to balance or something, not uplift, please contact with me, text me, comment the video or anything. Happy to help you. Good luck with the tripod headstand. Have a nice day. Thank you.